surrender. Won't you say cheese? I'm taking a mental picture.
Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Make Your Mark series. And I'm Raiza Contawi. Para sa mga kakakilala ko lang ngayon, it's very nice to meet you. And of course, welcome back and nice seeing you again, Ilana Squad, at sa aking pong loyal viewers and subscribers. Thank you again for joining me in this special episode. Now, for those of you na hindi pa po nakakaalam, Make Your Mark series is my collaboration with Avon, where I am tasked to test out Mark products. Test natin yung limits kung saan ba aabot ang Mark products nyo, kung ano ba yung mga klaseng looks na pwede nyo magawa with just Mark products. And in this series, tradition na meron akong survey. The category for today's episode is YEPPEUDA Glam, meaning K-beauty ang style na ating gagawin ngayon. And survey says, ang winner ay ang photo number 2! Ito ang ating gagayahin today, ang ating inspiration. Kung excited na kayo, excited na rin ako. So, YEPPEUDA Glam, here you go. All Korean looks are known for the luminous glow, flawless base, but I do not have the most flawless skin, so I'm just going to, make the best out of everything that I have right now. But to start off, I'm going to use a new CC cream. This is the 15-in-1 CC cream. Now, this will serve as my primer. Mark has its primer, but the primer gives you a mattifying effect. So, I'm going to steer away from anything that's matte. So this will, ang bango niya, okay. So this will just give me that, how do you say this? Parang the inner glow na tinatawag, because it will kind of lighten up my skin shade. At the same time, this has skincare benefits that will, of course, take care of your skin then, not only give you the color that you want, but also the invisible benefits na meron ito, like sun protection, because this has SPF 30. Dito na papasok ang Mark products, and this is their liquid foundation. This is the nude matte fluid makeup. This is in the shade Shell. This is, I think, the lightest amongst the 3 shades. This has a watery consistency, and so this is best applied with the brush para hindi sisip-sipin agad ng sponge yung product. This foundation starts off sheer and buildable to medium coverage. So you can see some of my blemishes peeking through, something like this. Ito yung sumpa ko this year. Ang ginagawa ko dito is that I let it set for a few minutes, maybe a couple of minutes, then go back para ma-build ko yung coverage. When it comes to layering your products, make sure that you have the patience to wait maybe for a minute or so para talagang mag-set yung products sa mukha before you layer. Kasi kung hindi, parang mababaliwala yung layering. And also, layer strategically, hindi yung lagay lang kayo ng lagay ng products. The key to achieving that K-beauty look is that wala dapat gaanong contouring. Ang contouring nila is focused on the nose and the eyes, but sa face wala. So you can see just parang full face of BB cream or a luminous base. And that's what we're going to do. So after blending the foundation, it's time to set with a little bit of powder. And I'm going to use the nude matte pressed powder, and I have the shade nude matte. And I have the shade light medium. Okay, but I do have a problem here. I experienced before na mukha siyang light medium, pero pagdating sa face, medyo ida-darken yung color. So what I'm going to do is just lightly dust everything. Ang pinaka-focus niya is on the T-zone. So again, that's the forehead, nose, and chin. Since I'm going to use a pencil product, kailangan medyo matte din yung brows. Kailangan, lagyan din natin siya ng powder. Para naman sa kilay, I'm going to use this. This is their perfect brow sculpting pencil, and I have 2 shades here. One's a dark shade of brown, and the other one is kind of a blonde shade. And I will be placing the products on the description box below so you can see and check out kung anong shades na ginamit ko. Although I think I do have global shades here na hindi pa available. So don't forget to check out avon.com.ph if I'm not mistaken para makita nyo talaga yung full range ng Mark products. And of course, huwag nyo kalimutan ng Avon ladies out there. Uumpisahan ko muna sa darker shade. And ang gagawin ko, i-outline ko na yung pinakailalim. Ang kailangan kasi dito sa kilay na to, mahaba na sobrang straight. So, kailangan mailagay na natin yung base or ma-form na natin ang base shape niya. Yung lighter shade naman, ipo-focus natin siya dito sa umpisa ng brows para maganda yung pagkaka-gradient niya. if you keep on blending it with a spoolie, but very lightly, sasama yung hair and mas magmumukhang elongated yung brows. So just keep on taming your brow strands in place. Yung brow shape niya medyo mas mahaba sa tail. So pwede pa kayo mag-extend ng konti and dapat manipis. Manipis na straight na mahaba. So ngayon, medyo okay na ako dito sa shape na to. Gagawin ko lang yung isa kong kilay and I'll be right back. For the eyes, it's going to be 1 to 2 shade type of eyeshadow. At gagamitin natin itong palette na Smoky Nights. At ang gagamitin natin ito. Itong parang copperish color. And ilalagay lang natin siya pretty much all over the lids. Ang una kong gagamitin, itong daliri ko lang. Para mabilis. And parang kalat nyo lang talaga siya. Madali tong look na to. Kasi amongst the three, ang gusto ko sanang manalo yung number 3. Kaya lang, ewan ko, parang talagang nasa matte era pa ang mga tao. But actually, matte is so 2017. Dapat, ang klase ng lipstick na appreciate natin, yung medyo glossy and healthy looking. Matte, it's pretty because it looks clean. And it's long-lasting. But, mukhang mas healthy ang satin finish. Hindi man sila long-lasting, but it's easy to retouch. Just bring your lipstick everywhere. Anyway, kahit naman yung mga long-lasting na liquid lipstick, they just crack at the end of the day. Or they just crack after eating. And you can't retouch na parang looking brand new because once you layer it, magmumukhang cakey, magmumukhang makapal. It will become uncomfortable. Talagang meron lang akong piling-piling mga liquid lipstick na uncomfortable nila. Sobrang pili. So, mag-start muna dito. Tsaka natin siya ilabas ng konti dito sa mata para may illusion of elongated eyes. And then, wag din kalimutan yung lower rim of the eyes. I'm just going to use a smaller brush. If you want to intensify the pigment, feel free to wet the brush, but in this case, I'm using dry application. Para magkaroon lang ng depth, gagamitin ko tong shade na to. This one is like the darker orange. And I will be applying that here. Just so it doesn't look as flat. And then time for the eyeliner. And we're going for a subtle liner, kind of liner. And subtle kind of liner. Bulol na ako. At ang gagamitin natin itong Avon Glimmer Sticks in Cosmic Brown. Yan. Dun lang tayo sa mga browns. And kailangan talaga, dikit talaga doon sa lash line. Yan. Sobrang nipis. Extend it downward. Not upward. There. And that's it. Ganun lang kadali. Gawin natin yung isang mata. Tight line. And extend it downward. And you're done. On the face, instead of contouring, mag-highlight tayo and konting blush. And for the first time, I'm going to try out this Highlight Strobing Duo ng Mark. This has a shimmery blush on the other end, which looks like this, very subtle. And on the other end naman, highlighter na may pagka-champagne with parang gold iridescence. Ayun din, subtle lang din siya. Pag natatamaan lang din siya ng ilaw. So, ilalagay ko siya dito sa cheeks. Siyempre, saan pa ba? Ilalagay natin siya dito. And then, blend it with your finger. Oh, yes! In glass skin, kung glass skin. And of course, don't forget the blush na sobrang konti lang. Super, 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 super konti. Kasi, originally, wala naman talagang blush yung girl. Talagang yung girl. As in, dapat ganyan lang. Parang hint of color lang. Ang ganda nito, ha? Alam niyo, yung mukha lang siya parang okay, ang subtle niya, hindi siya gaanong makulay. Pero sa face, it gives the effect that I'm looking for. I'm looking for that subtle gloss or parang subtle sheen na magmumukhang glass ang aking mukha. And it is doing its job. See that? Parang, yes. Glow. Sa lips naman, we will be doing a lot of blotting technique. So, gagamitan ko ng dalawang lipsticks. Isa galing sa Mark. This is the lipstick in Heartbreaker na dark, parang deep red ang kulay. Ayan siya, oh. Pero cool tone. And then, yung isa naman galing sa Avon True Color. Ito naman ang kilala nilang matte lipstick in Red Supreme. Dahil, ayun nga, yan ang magbibigay ng matte. And kailangan medyo mag-match siya sa aking damit. So, ang gagawin ko, maglalagay muna ako ng powder. And then, dun tayo sa Heartbreaker. Para magkaroon na siya agad ng deeper shade na base. After this, let's blot first. Okay, once. And then go back to powder. Pagdating sa powder, pwede nyo nang gamitan ng finger. Next, dun tayo sa Red Supreme. Repeat steps 1 to 3 until you get that really strong matte shade. And the reason why I didn't just put Red Supreme right away is that hindi pa siya gaanong like deep red. So I need like that extra boost coming from the Heartbreaker para mas maging deeper shade of red siya. So ngayon medyo malapit na siya sa aking damit compared to kapag Red Supreme lang. Kita nyo ba yun? Parang, parang light pa siya. To complete the look, I will be coating my lashes with this Mark Big and Style Mascara. Hindi na rin kasi ako mag-false eyelashes because may bangs ako, so matatakpan din siya. So let me just really coat my lashes with this mascara. Don't forget the lower lashes, of course. As for the hairstyle, ilalagay lang natin lahat sa likod in a low ponytail, finger combed, and then, of course, let loose of your bangs. Wow, sobrang curly. At mag-abang-abang lang tayo ng konting minuto para lang bumaba ang aking bangs dahil napaka-taas niya. Ano ba yan? Mas mataas siya sa bunbunan ko. Uy, ang taas. So, guys, dapat bigyan nyo siya ng time na, na mag-chill. And I'll be right back. But this is basically it. We're done. Well, here you have it, everyone. I just thought na ito na yung pinakamalapit na parang specs na nakita ko na medyo malapit na sa picture. And nung nilagay ko na yung salamin ko with the gold necklace, it was like too much gold on gold. So tinanggal ko na yung necklace ko. But if you think na we failed this time, give this a thumbs down. But if you think that we achieved it, give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to get subscribed and notified by clicking the bell button below so you can see more of my future videos. And you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, all at Raiza Contawi. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm excited for the next episode ng ating Make Your Mark series. This has been Raiza Contawi. Wow, may exit bigla. Thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful day. I love you all. Bye!